Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. I'm Chantler. Hello. Today I'm back with another pussycat outfit. Today I'm actually back with another cheap ass video. Before we do begin this video, I want to get a few things out the way, get this out early on. So one, if you do see this outfit, know that I'm filming multiple videos today. So you're going to see this outfit in multiple videos, okay? Okay. Two, if you hear music in the background while I am talking, my fiance is in his room practicing his DJing stuff and making beats and whatnot. So you're going to hear music, just don't worry about it. We'll pretend it's background music, okay? Three, and the last thing, if you hear noise such as raining, wind blowing, thunder and lightning, that sort of things, it is hurricane season in Louisiana, and we currently are going through Hurricane Barry. Shout out to you. Not really, but yeah, so we're waiting for Hurricane Barry to get here, and I'm actually off today, so I have the whole day to myself. Can't really go outside because I'm actually scared of hurricanes and I don't want to get blown away. So I just decided that I'll come and film multiple videos today. So now that we've gotten all that out the way, we're just gonna go ahead and hop into this video. A couple weeks ago, I did make a video about some hair that I bought from Aliexpress that was like $65. I'm so sorry, which is this hair that I'm wearing now. If you guys want to check that video out, it will be in the card above, so make sure you check that out and then come back here and finish watching this video. So I had a lot of feedback from that video about the cheap hair, and a lot of you guys wanted to see more videos like this, where I'm on AliExpress basically buying hair and finding affordable hair for you guys and trying it out before y'all do, so y'all don't waste your money. Today I ordered some more hair. Let me go and get that. I ordered this hair from this company on AliExpress called Yyong Hair. I hope I'm saying it right, but it's right here, Yyong Hair. I'll also leave the link down to their store as well as the link to the hair in this description box below. So I ordered the hair from Yyong Hair. Altogether, I paid $98.80, which is under $100, so that's always a plus. I ended up ordering 3 bundles of 16 inches and a 14-inch closure. Now, what makes this wig really different from most is instead of a regular 4x4 closure, I ended up getting a 7x7 closure. So this would be my first time trying out a 7x7 closure. So the type of hair that I ended up getting was Malaysian deep wave, and I ordered this hair on the 4th of July, which was a Thursday, and then I just got the hair on the 11th of July, which was another Thursday. So it took about a week to get to me, which was pretty fast, to say that it was coming from AliExpress, because AliExpress changed the way they ship things, and usually it takes about 2 to 3 weeks to come in, sometimes a month or longer depending on the type of company that they send it through. But this company sent it through FedEx, and FedEx is pretty fast. So yeah, I ended up getting the hair within a week. So now that I have all that out the way, we can actually get into the actual hair. So the hair came in one of these bags, which I think are really cute, because these bags, like once you make your wig, you can put your wig back in here and save it for its longevity instead of just throwing it into the closet somewhere or throwing it somewhere where it can get messed up. So once you wear your wig and you're done with it, you can put it back in these bags. So I actually do like this bag, and on the front of the bag it has the company's name, Yyong, and then it says Yyong Hair Forever Young. So that's the front of the bag. All right, so once you get into it, I'm gonna show y'all one that's already in there. So this would be the bundles. Like I said, I ordered 3 bundles of 16 in Malaysian deep wave, as well as a 7x7 closure, which is 14 inches, also in Malaysian deep wave. So This is how the hair comes. And it has their, I don't know if y'all can see, it has the tag on it, like the little sticker, and it also comes with one of these tags. Just by first looking at it, it does look kind of short, but y'all know I'm gonna get my measuring tape out and measure. The wefts, they look pretty good, pretty intact. Good construction on wefts though is a must, because if your wefts are constructed really good, then the hair won't shed as much. So I'm just running my fingers through it, and I have no shedding. So I'm gonna do it again. Right now I have one. I don't know if y'all can see it. Y'all can see it right here. All right, so that's one strand, and do it like this, nothing. So to me, that's pretty good. Looks good to me. This is considered the deep wave texture, and I'm actually pretty excited to see what this hair will look like once it's wet, because I was gonna get curly hair, but I didn't want to get it because I didn't want anything too tight. So I'm excited to see what this deep wave looking like. And it still got a lot of movement. It's not no stiff curly hair, because sometimes I've gotten curly hair to where like I'm shaking it and girl, she ain't going no, like she moving like this. You feel me? But this hair, it moves and you can wing her around. And yeah, I think this will be some pretty good hair, y'all. I'm excited. Pretty good hair, y'all. I'm excited. Yes. Also, the hair looks pretty good as far as luster. It does not look dry at all. And I'm pretty impressed to say that this hair was only $98.80. Like, I'm pretty excited about it. Yes. Okay, so as far as smell, I don't really smell anything. It just smells like how normal Aliexpress hair smells like, without like chemically processed. It smells pretty good, like a conditioner. So I'm not mad about that. I like that smell. And if it was a bad smell, I know ways to get the smell out. So if you guys want to see a video of that, let me know in the comments below. So we done with the bundles. Let's move to the closure. Now, like I said earlier, I did film this video once before, so I already took the closure out of the bag and out of its packaging and ran my fingers through it. So don't mind what it looks like right now, because it didn't look like this when I got it. So this is the closure, and I'm actually really excited about this. Look how much space, y'all. Look how much space I'm about to have. And it's not even a funnel. It's a closure. A 7x7 closure. Who you know paid less than $100 and got a 7x7 closure? I'll wait. This is the closure. As you can see, it already has like pre-parts in it, but it's not like defined parts. They kind of just do that just to give you a guideline of if you want a straight side part, then they already have it there for you. And this is what it looks like without the knots bleached. It also did not come pre-plucked, so you do have to go in and pluck it yourself if you like that look. Usually with closures, when I do like 4x4 closures, I don't pluck the hairline, I just pluck the part wherever it needs to be. But I am going to pluck this one and give it a frontal look, because I feel like I'm going to be doing a lot with this wig, and I want it to look natural, and I want it to look like a frontal but not having to glue it down like a frontal. So yeah, and then again, this is the deep wave in Malaysian, but for some reason this frontal, it kind of looks different than the actual bundles, because the bundles, like, okay, so you see how I curl up like this? The bundles don't really do that, but I hope like once I wash it, it all meshes together and when I make the wig. As far as the lace, it's pretty light, but as long as you tint it or put some makeup on it or whatever you do to tint your lace, you should be fine. For the last part of the video, I am going to measure the hair to make sure that I am getting what I paid for. All right, so I'm gonna take a piece of the hair like this, and I'm going to take the top of my tape measure and put it where the track starts, like this. Put it right there, and I'm gonna hold it, and then I'm gonna pull and stretch it out and hold the bucket. Okay, so it's actually not measuring 16, it's measuring, hold on, so. Okay, so it's measuring about 12 to 13 inches. Maybe when I wash it, it'll get a little loose. The curls will get looser and it'll get longer. But right now I have 13 inches in the bundles. So now I have 13 inches in the bundles. Next is the closure. So I'm gonna take a piece like so, and I'm going to put this at the root, and this one is measuring 13 as well. Well, the little straggly ends are measuring 14, but it's pretty thin towards the end, so maybe I would say like 12 to 13. So what I'm about to do now is I'm about to go wet it real quick. I'm not gonna put no product in it. I'm gonna just wet it and I'm gonna see what happens. Okay, so I just washed, well, I didn't really wash it. I just wet it and I didn't put any conditioner or shampoo in it. I just wet it with warm water and ran my fingers through it, and now I'm just towel drying it, and as I'm towel drying it, I'm scrunching it. That's what I do with my curly hair. All right, so this is the hair wet with towel dry. It did not matte as I was washing it, which is a plus. I have one long strand right here that came out, and this is what it's looking like, y'all. All right, I got a few more strands now. So I was just bragging about you earlier. Might want to calm it down. All right, so yeah, this is the hair. It did get much longer when I wet it, and the curls are a lot looser. So yeah, and it still has a lot of movement. Like, y'all see that movement? Like, I'm literally in love with this hair so far, and I haven't even installed it or anything like that, and I'm just excited, y'all. Like, I don't think I understand, but your girl is excited. All right, guys, so that concludes the end of this video. I have nothing else to say about this hair because it is an initial review and I haven't installed it or wore it or anything like that. So what I'm about to do now is I'm about to go make it into a wig, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. I mean, if you made it this far into the video, why not? Why not? Matter of fact, I'm gonna make it easy for you. I'm gonna leave this button right here, so you guys, all you gotta do is press on it and subscribe. Press on it and subscribe. All right, friends, and like always, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one.